Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the row width in Google Sheets app. So maybe if you are on Google Sheets on your computer, it will make you easier. But now I'm going to show you how you can change the row width in the mobile apps. So here I've already on the Google Sheets, and then I'm going to just open my file. Okay, so for example, I want to change this row width of my file in here. So what you need to do is just click on the desired row, or like the desired line that you want to change its width. Just click on the row, and then after that you can see there is a two arrow in here. You can see that, and to change that you can just drag it to the bottom, for example, like that. And if you want to do this for three or four row, you can see it like this. You can do that, so you just need to do, you can do it one by one like this by dragging it down. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.